Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Miss Tifa. Yes guys, I know it's been a while. I hope you and your families are all staying safe during this quarantine. Guys, if you would like to see how I got this look, stay tuned. A little disclaimer, guys, I was unable to do my baby hairs on camera because initially I did my baby hairs backwards. But if you stay tuned, you'll see. Okay guys, let's just hop right in. I'm just gonna put that in 2 braids. I already put the cap on. Right now guys, I'm just fast forwarding through the ball cap method. And guys, today I'll be installing a 22-inch full lace unit. Again, I'm just fast forwarding through this part so the video won't be super long. I'll be using some Ruby Kisses foundation in the color, I believe this is 12. No, actually 14. So right now I'm just going to take some rubbing alcohol, or just alcohol, just to clean around my perimeter. Oh, what's going on, girl? Okay, I love this unit. And guys, today we will be gluing my unit. I normally don't glue my units, but I think I'm starting to like it a lot better. So right here, guys, I was just showing you guys how I cut the air tabs. And guys, this was a little difficult for me because this was my first time ever installing a unit sitting down, especially in my room. I don't do my hair in my room typically. So right here, I'm just taking my little snippers. Guys, I got these from my local beauty supply store for about $1. And guys, this time I wanted to leave extra lace, a little more lace on, just to see if I like the outcome better. And right here, guys, being that I'm gluing it, I decided to just outline it with a regular eyeliner. Yeah, eyeliner. So right here, guys, I'm taking the bowl hold. I did do this step 3 times. Basically, now I'm just taking my popsicle stick just to make sure that it's all applied smoothly and evenly. I was a little heavy-handed on that. But again, guys, I did that 3 times. So now I'm proceeding to apply the wig. I was lost. All right, guys, now I'm just going to hit this with some heat. And then as you will see, I'm going to repeat the same steps. This felt so awkward to me, guys. Again, I'm repeating the same steps with the outlining. And guys, how to take the pencil off. I just use alcohol and I just clean it off like so. And you can use any color you want. So right now, I'm just going to tack down this side. And guys, and when you're combing the comb, be sure to be pressing it into as you're combing it back as well, like so. I'll give you guys a better angle. Just push the comb into the glue. And guys, I'm going to keep the back of the lace on because I didn't want to cut it too much. So I waited for my husband to come home for him to cut it because I do want to do another video installing the back. And again, I'm just repeating the same steps. And guys, I'm looking at a really, really small mirror. And then when I look up, that's my phone. So guys, right here, I had put mousse on it and then some of it had came up because basically I'm going to melt the lace by putting the elastic band and then putting some heat. I didn't show that, but this is how it ends up. I was debating if I liked it. So this is the part where I already attempted to start my baby hairs off camera, and that's where I messed up because I did it backwards. But I did try to show you guys how I did like my side baby hairs. And that right there is my bed head, hard head hairspray. I used that along with my Nairobi mousse, but you can use whatever mousse make you comfortable. So basically this is how it looked. And right now, after I finished with the baby hairs, and right now I'm just gonna show you guys how I smooth out the front. I use my bed head, hard head spray. And then I just spray it, I comb it in, and then I mold it with some heat. So comb it in two. Then with the heat to give it a nice finished smooth look. Now I'm about to do the front the same exact way. And guys, it doesn't have excuse me guys, it do not have to be this hairspray. Like, you can use whatever hairspray you like and it will give you the same look. Because I know my Sebastian give me the same look. My my freeze spray give me the same look. My Tresemme spray gives me the same look. So you don't have to use the same exact products. So right now I'm just molding it. And right there, to be honest, I really was just doing this because I realized that I didn't film me pressing, using my hot comb. And so for the most part, I was done. And I really didn't like it. And I didn't wet it down either. But I'm going to show you guys how it looks after I do so. So basically I wet it. And then I just took that baby hair in the front and just did it to the opposite side. And to me, it's much better. But guys, if you like this video, I ask that you like, subscribe, comment, and please guys, turn your notification bells on because again, I do plan on doing more videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Till next time, guys.